Hi friends, welcome back to my garden. It's a Saturday morning and it's our harvest day here in our farmstead. Behind me, you can see a lot of tomatoes and many of them are ready for harvest. I have just harvested a bunch of sweet banana peppers. I harvested over a bushel of sweet banana peppers from just a few plants in here. That's one row. And then we've harvested some okra over there at the end of the garden. I'm going to show you a little tour of this garden. So you see here the tomatoes, they need to be harvested. I noticed that some of them were eaten by some animals. So I need to go ahead and harvest the ones that are not very red yet. Like, oh, this one, as you can see, there's a little damage on it, but I can still use this. Just I can't sell this, but this can be eaten. I think the best chance for me to get most of the tomatoes is when they're on the breaker stage, like when they start turning. You can harvest them already to avoid damage from pests and from animals. Right here, look at that. You see a bunch of red tomatoes right here. So I just let them ripen on the vine because they taste better that way. And then here, okay, these are all tomatoes. These are the Cherokee Carbon. And look at what we have in here, guys. We have our moringa. Okay, I need to turn the camera around so you can see it. I am so happy with the progress of my moringa plants. These two were planted earlier in the season, but the rest of them, they're still smaller because the plants were eaten by an animal. So I had to replant them, and now, end of July, August, sorry, it's August, end of August, and they are looking great. I have harvested some leaves from these moringa plants right here, and it looks like they're ready for another round of harvest. We also have some more tomatoes in here that I forgot to trellis them, so they're just sprawling on the ground. We have a bunch of purple Asian okra, and we have some orange Turkish not okra, I'm crazy. These are eggplants, purple eggplants, orange eggplants right there, jalapenos. These are hot jalapenos, and hot cayenne peppers over there. And then look at all of these okra plants. I've been saying okra because I just love okra and they are beautiful. If you look at their flowers, guys, look at that. Beautiful okra flowers. I've just harvested a bunch of okras also. I missed one day of harvest, so I didn't get to harvest okras yesterday. And I ended up having a lot of huge ones that I probably cannot eat anymore. So they will either go into the compost pile, or if my chickens will like them, they can have them. But for now, I have harvested the okras that are big enough. Oh, I'm seeing one or two that I missed, but that's okay. I can come back later. Here, I thought these are all cayenne peppers, but it looks like some of them are actually not cayenne peppers. I don't even know what they are. It's crazy, but I'm pretty sure these are hot peppers. I love growing them, but I don't love eating hot peppers. Look at that. They are ready for harvest again. We've harvested some already. We have some customers that like hot peppers. So I try to make sure we have some in the produce stand that's available for them whenever they show up, and whenever they need these hot peppers. But look at that. Beautiful, beautiful hot cayenne peppers. Yeah, some of this, I know they look like cayenne peppers, but the others are not. There, guys. This garden looks so pretty, except for the dead cucumbers right there. We are really struggling with cucumbers, and I tried a hybrid variety. This hybrid variety is called Dasher 2 or something. It's Dasher, Dasher F1. It lasted longer than the heirloom varieties, but as you can see, the leaves have started dying. I am seeing a lot of cucumber beetles and squash bugs in here. I think the squash bugs are very desperate now because I did not grow zucchini and yellow squash. So now they are just devastating whatever plants in the cucurbit family that they can find in this garden. Look at that. Squash bugs right there. They're having the time of their lives. I'll try to salvage this plant. I also have some new seedlings that need to be planted in the ground, but I will not plant them in this garden. They're gonna go somewhere else, and hopefully the squash bugs will not find them quickly. I'm just showing you the okras once again, guys, because they are so amazing. And another look at the rows of tomatoes that we have, and there you can see the red tomatoes that are ready for harvest. But if you have too much pest pressure in your garden, at this point it's yellow right now. At this point the fruit already has everything that it needs to ripen, and this will taste just the same as the tomatoes that you leave on the vine, and you leave them until they turn red, or you can harvest them at this stage. That will be just fine. This one is really beautiful. If I leave this longer on the plant, this will probably either split or get devoured by the tomato hornworms or the deer or the rabbits or the squirrels and other friends in our garden. We are in the produce stand right now, guys, and behind me you see 2 boxes of sweet banana peppers. These are some of the sweet banana peppers that I harvested today. Aren't they beautiful? So since we have so many, we will be selling this sweet banana peppers by the half bushel boxes. Yeah, we got over a bushel of sweet banana peppers, and they're so pretty, sweet, and so crunchy. I can just eat them straight off the plant actually, because these are clean. We don't spray this with chemicals. We don't use pesticides in our garden. We also do not use herbicides in our garden. We are not organic, but we don't use pesticides and herbicides. And our produce are so amazing. Let's go take a look at the other things that we have in here. This is another box of sweet banana peppers that we got, and then here we get a bushel of purple eggplants, and then down here we have the new okra that we got today. We got some cucumbers and one good purple beauty eggplant. We actually got 3 of them, but the others have damage from insects, so we don't sell those. We have the Turkish orange here. I got a few jalapeno peppers for some of my customers who like jalapeno peppers. I'm just so glad to have some of these cucumbers for today. I have some that I kept inside the house as well that I harvested from a few days. So yeah, it's all right. I'm gonna end my video right here, guys. In my produce stand, we have some green tomatoes behind me, red tomatoes, okras, that's sweet banana peppers, onions, garlic, those are smaller tomatoes that we're selling by the bag. And then we have some squash and zucchini that did not come from my garden, but I am fixing to try to grow some zucchini this fall and see how it will go. That's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Have a great day.